today's world, the concept of earning passive income has become increasingly appealing. Whether it's to supplement your primary income, achieve financial independence, or simply create more freedom in your life, passive income streams offer a pathway to greater financial stability and flexibility. But how realistic is it to generate substantial passive income? In this video, we'll explore 7 proven passive income ideas that have enabled individuals to earn $67,000 per week or more. 1. Real estate investments. Real estate has long been a popular avenue for generating passive income. One strategy is to invest in rental properties, either residential or commercial. By purchasing properties and renting them out, investors can earn a steady stream of income from tenants. Additionally, real estate appreciation can lead to significant long-term wealth accumulation. Another option is real estate crowdfunding platforms, which allow individuals to invest in properties with smaller amounts of capital while still receiving passive income through rental yields or property appreciation. 2. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks in companies that pay regular dividends to their shareholders. These dividends are typically paid out quarterly and can provide a reliable source of passive income. By reinvesting dividends and allowing them to compound over time, investors can accelerate their wealth accumulation. Dividend-paying stocks are often found in stable, mature companies with a history of profitability and consistent cash flows. 3. Digital products and online courses. In the digital age, creating and selling digital products and online courses has emerged as a lucrative passive income opportunity. Whether it's ebooks, video tutorials, software, or online workshops, creating digital products allows individuals to leverage their expertise and knowledge to generate income passively. Once the initial product is created and marketed, sales can continue to come in without much ongoing effort. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing provide accessible avenues for selling digital products to a global audience. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services offered by other companies and earning a commission for each sale or referral made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through various channels such as websites, blogs, social media, or email marketing. Affiliate marketers earn passive income by leveraging their audience and recommending products that align with their niche or interests. Successful affiliate marketers build trust with their audience by providing valuable content and genuine recommendations. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer (P2P) lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders, cutting out traditional financial institutions. As a lender on these platforms, you can earn passive income by providing loans to borrowers and collecting interest payments over time. P2P lending offers attractive returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds, although it comes with higher risks due to the potential for borrower default. Platforms like Lending Club, Prosper, and Funding Circle facilitate P2P lending and provide tools for diversifying your lending portfolio. 6. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. While not as glamorous as some other passive income ideas, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs) offer a low-risk way to earn passive income on your savings. These financial products typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow over time with minimal effort on your part. Although the returns may not be as high as riskier investment options, high-yield savings accounts and CDs provide stability and security for your capital. 7. Royalties and licensing. If you have a creative talent or intellectual property, such as writing, music, photography, or invention, you can earn passive income through royalties and licensing agreements. By licensing your work to third parties or distributing it through platforms that pay royalties, you can generate ongoing income from sales or usage fees. This allows you to monetize your creative endeavors long after the initial work is done. Platforms like Shutterstock for photography, Audible for audiobooks, and royalty-free music libraries offer opportunities for creators to earn passive income through licensing. Passive income is not a mythical concept reserved for the lucky few. It's a tangible reality that anyone can achieve with the right strategies and commitment. By diversifying your passive income streams and leveraging various opportunities, you can build a sustainable source of income that provides financial security and freedom. Whether it's through real estate investments, dividend stocks, digital products, affiliate marketing, peer-to-peer lending, savings accounts, or royalties, there are numerous avenues to explore on your journey to earning $67,000 per week or more passively. Remember, the key is to take action, stay persistent, and continuously educate yourself on new opportunities and trends in the ever-evolving landscape of passive income.